Good morning, my friends. Look at this beautiful collection. It's finally the rest of the package arrived from Fansells, and we can see in here that this product is by Paint and Fairy Cross Stitch. And today we're going to review 3 designs because we already did with you review of the autumn. If you remember, I think it was video number 1 when package just arrived, and I told you that I'm still missing some stuff that did not ship. So now I have all 4 of them in here, and I told you that like I love so much colors in here that I think it's my favorite. Now when I'm looking all of them together, I was like, wow, okay, I like the winter one as well, but I think it's because of this beautiful orangey colors. So this one, if you want to see review, happen into my older review that was, I think it's in this month, yes. Yes, I already did this review and some other beautiful project. It was lots of diamond paintings as well. So today, this is summer, so let's start with summer. And these sizes are good, so it would be not very big design to create compared to other ones that like over 1 meter long, right? So this should be fun to stitch, nice and easy. And let's check it out quickly what we have here in this booklet. So we have in here definitely probably Italy or something, because that's where all the winery is going on. When I see wine, grapes, this kind of scenery, it's kind of always remind me of Italy. Even I never been there, but I would love to. On my bucket list for a long time. Look at these beautiful grapes, have juicy colors. It's going to be good because we know the Fairy brand is one of the top notch right now. I don't think anybody can beat them. So we have, this is summer. Let's see. Ooh, we have lots of different stitches in here. We have a full stitch, we have a half stitch, we have a French knots, and we have a back stitch. Okay, I think that's what it is. 42 colors altogether. And from this 42 colors, we have only 1, 2, 3, 4 blends. 4 blends, 3, 4, 5, 6 different colors for the back stitch, 1 French knot, and 1 color for the half stitch. And the half stitch, if I correct, probably it's going to be for the sky. Feels like that's where going to be a back stitch, sky area. Maybe somewhere on the bottom up there as a road, not sure. Like the dirt, look at the pretty barrel up there. Oh, this is so pretty, very pretty. Easy would be to stitch, lots of back stitch. Yes, you have to prepare how much? Lots of French knots too, probably. Only one way to find out to start to stitch them. Okay. Now with these designs you will receive toolkit for each one of them, same toolkit from Fansells, because I believe all the stores pack them separately on their own. So we have, I'm just going to show you one toolkit, and we're not going to return to the other ones because it will be the same thing. Threader, finger protection, ring, and I believe like 10 different size of needles, which we have same one that we reviewed, the other one, the mosaic thing. Yeah, lots of different size of needles, from thinner to thicker, but they are good quality needles, strong, not breaking easy, and they are good to stitch with. Okay, thank you very much. That's a lots of needles. And I'm so happy now to have the full collection. And by the way, the whole collection, 4 of them, I believe on Fansells website under $70. So that's a very good price for 4 designs. Okay, so take advantage of and order. Also, you can use my discount code provided in the description box. So here it is. Look at this. It's cute. It's not very big. You can you can create with this one pillow cushions and change them by the seasons. So this is basically a full cover stitch. Besides, like, you know, it's a round shape. You can consider partial, but I mean, there's no partial between that. So I consider this as a full coverage piece. Here it is. Let's see, the print on the canvas is amazing. Yes, we can see everything very well. Beautiful, beautiful. Stitch around, and look at that. So much room, so much canvas around. Wow, the Fairy brand, I'm telling you, they are so amazing. You can literally stitch something else by cutting this piece of fabric, and you still have, by extending some kind of like a extra different fabric to create nice pillow cushions, to change them by the season. Why not? Why not? Okay, that would be fun. So this is 14 count Ada. Size in stitches 167 by 156, so it's a little bit wider this way. And with the Fairy brand, you always will receive Egyptian threads. They are very lovely to stitch with. And with these little designs, I don't know if that's for the smaller designs or what, but it does have the cardboard palette with this one. With big designs, I believe they always, even sometimes with small one, they have like a plastic. Their number always in here by the DMC code, not by the numerical number, and the pink ribbon in here. Nicely done. Presentation is really nice in here of this brand as well. Not embarrassed to gift it to somebody. If you want to buy a gift, if somebody like to stitch, that this brand is really nice. There's a few brands right now that is my favorites, and we can talk about this in my whip and chat video. And Fairy brand, one of them, of course. Okay, thank you for that. Lovely threads. Okay, now let's see which one. So this is summer. Fall time we already watched with you in a previous video. So I guess the winter going to be next, and this would be a perfect design to stitch for the Christmas in July. Which one is it? This one. And this is very pretty as well. See, it depends on the company, whatever. Like this one is nice in a Ziploc bag. This one already in a squeaky bag, so I'm not sure about the packaging. Keep changing. More relevant packaging, I guess, you will get like from the actual brand, but each store of the same chain, they would have like a different packing, depends on the store. So here is our threads for the winter. With the pink ribbon to hold your Egyptian threads together. And so the toolkit is the same one, so we are not going to stop on this one, but let me show you this design. How beautiful the village up there. Okay, my chandelier, hold on. Look at the village up there. I love the lanterns. I have to get not spiky reflection. Look at this. Cotton. Isn't it beautiful? Look at those mountains. The sky looks so good with the snowflakes falling off the sky. Magical, magical. That is so pretty. I wish you would stitch this for Christmas time. So if you don't have this in the Christmas in July, you can get all the seasons and stitch by the seasons. Like right now, stitch summer and then stitch winter, start in December. We have with this one, let me just check if it's nothing in the back. Yeah, we do have 50 colors with this one. With the blends, we have a blends in here. We have back stitch in here. We have French knots in here in 3 colors, I believe. Let me just double check if we have another side. No. So 3 colors in the French knots. We have 3 colors in half stitch. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 different back stitch. And the blends, we have for the blends 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 colors with the blends. We have a back stitch in here in 2 threads. We have in 1 thread, 1, 2, yeah, so different thickness of the threads. So depends which area you stitch, it will do good job. The different, yeah, we have already in here colorful pattern with the back stitch where to have to go them. They all on the same pages. Okay, beautiful. Now canvas. Now canvas, let's see, is it same size or not? Oh no, a little bit different size, very little bit different. This one is completely square, 160 by 160. Also it's 14 count and so pretty. Okay, hold on. I see. Oh, here's the village houses. Okay, here's the sky area. Where's the houses in here? They are lower. Okay, beautiful. Look at them. Okay, and a little bit close for you to see the symbol. Look how easy to stitch. For this one will fit those big frame that I review, those big one, 43.1, what was it, 43 centimeters square, maybe, or maybe even too small for this one, the canvas smaller maybe. But there is a different kind of frames up there if you want to check it out. Fansells have different sizing. So yes, here it is, another beauty. Now one more left. I'm so happy to have this collection now completed, because I thought maybe they were like run out of the stock and I received only one. So now we have them all. Now we have a springtime in the Ziploc bag. Toolkit, we have same toolkit, tons of needles. And let me show you spring. Spring to me, because of the tulips and the wind tower, how you call it, not the wind tower, how you call them, that's kind of like a Holland probably, somewhere up there. Look at this. Oh, love the tulips in the pictures. Mill towers, wind towers, how you call them? Oh my goodness, I forgot all of a sudden. The tulip farm, beautiful background up there, far, far away, birds flying, a wicker, kind of like the ring around the flowers, those wooden pieces, going to be change of colors. Tulips look really good, and what you see in the picture, basically that's what you will see on the canvas, because they are really good on rendering designs. And now let's see, same thing, we will have some half stitch. I see in one color so far. Yes, 3 colors for the French knots, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 back stitch. Colors together, 46 colors. And from this 46 we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 blends. And same thing, back stitch we have in here in 1 thread and 2 threads. Yeah, very nice. It's going to be very nice. A little bit peekaboo on a pattern to see. Oh yeah, it's beautiful. Print is gorgeous. So even if you want to stitch in a counted, you definitely can. Okay, let's see this cutie. 155 by 155. Yeah, this one also complete square. And here is the fabric print. Nice stitching all the way around each canvas. Nicely done. Usually this string I kind of cut halfway so it's not so long and not tangle up with my working thread. I kind of trim them a little bit so they don't stick it out like that. And look at that again, huge amount of fabric around. 14 count canvas. I love this kind of nice small sizes of them that everybody can finish. That's, for example, like, you know, I got this smaller canvases to review because many of you are saying that, you know, I keep reviewing like big designs and you don't like big designs. Lots of you love big designs, but also many of you like to work on something small, especially if you don't have too much room to work with the big frames. But if you have a chance to buy one of those fancy Fairy brand fancy frames, you should get one with those ends that let you turn and tighten up fabric. Those ones like the most easy to assemble, very easy to work with. And here it is. I have a review on my channel of all the stands for those frames if you wish to see. And that's our collection. Okay, my friends, so this is it. 4 designs, 4 seasons, and this is the spring. Tell me which one was your favorite one. Happy stitching, happy shopping, and I will see you in my next video.